Today we're going to repurpose the rice that we made, the one with the beans and the rotel. So we're going to repurpose and make it a little different. So let's look at this. Here is our rice. We're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to add some chicken, canned chicken, white chicken breast. We're going to add about a cup of shredded cheese, not using the Mexican style, but you can use whatever kind you like. We're going to add a half a cup of sour cream, and then we're going to put Cheez-Its on top, and we're going to layer it out, and I'll kind of show you that as we go. Okay, we've thrown all of our ingredients into the pan. I'm going to mix that up really good. Then I'm going to layer with some cheese, and then I'm going to put some Cheez-Its on top, and we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for about probably 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So here we have all the rice mixed together, and it's in a casserole dish, and I'm about to put a layer of cheese on top, and then I'm going to put my Cheez-Its. So we got it all ready, and we're going to put this in the oven now and be on our way, and I'll show you the results. While we're waiting for our rice to cook, we're going to make some plant-based burgers. Let me show you those. Here's our plant-based burgers, and we're going to put those in a frying pan. We're going to put a little bit of cooking oil, or just a little bit of spray oil on the pan because it's non-stick, and we're going to cook those on medium heat and probably about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. These are a little bit thin, so it shouldn't take too long. And I'm going to top them with a little bit of seasoning, some French fry seasoning, and some steakhouse seasoning. Alright, I have them seasoned with French fry seasoning and some steakhouse seasoning on each side, and the pan is sprayed, and so we're going to let them simmer. I'm going to put a little top on them here and let them cook on each side for a few minutes. And like I said, I got a medium heat. It may take a little bit longer on each side, 10 minutes, according to the thickness of the burger you get. Just make sure that your plant-based burger is cooked well. So it's been approximately 5 minutes, so let's look and see what we got. Those are sizzling, so I'm gonna flip these real fast to try and get some here. Yeah. You guys can see we got two cooking on, so we'll let them cook another 5 minutes on the other side and see where we are. On our burgers here, and they look like they're done. Let me just flip to make sure. Hold on a second, I can't video at the same time. There we go. Yeah, that's looking done. So I'm going to flip the other one, and then I'm going to add some smoked Gouda-based plant cheese. So this is a smoked Gouda plant-based cheese that I'm going to add to the top. So hold on. So I'm adding this cheese here. And like I said, this is a smoked Gouda. You have to excuse my dogs barking in the background. Okay, the cheese is melting really well, so I'm going to plate this in a little bit, and you'll see the final results of the rice and the cheese and everything. So just hold on. Okay, our casserole is done, and so we're going to plate it, and look at that. You can see how ooey gooey it is. I'm going to put it in this little bowl so it doesn't get mixed up all in the rice, but look how delicious. So it's all plated and done. Looks delicious. Put a little olives for a taste with blue cheese, and then some tomatoes for color. And I use my sourdough bread as my sandwich bread. So that is your awesome burger, plant-based.